All right, guys, this is my unboxing and first look at the lussmioe airbrush. It's a cordless airbrush, and you can use it for nails, makeup, paint. You can even use it for food decoration. Very versatile, very easy to use. You can see very compact box, but a very powerful device with 30 psi, high pressure, rechargeable, and it's got a 0.3 millimeter nozzle. Um, Again, it's very versatile as far as what you can use it with, but let's go ahead and get it out of the box. First thing I'll say is it is a very nice box. That might sound weird, but I've reviewed over 1,800 products, and what I found is, man, not over 9 times out of 10, when the box is nice, the product is actually usually pretty nice. So you can see you've got a couple cleaners here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. You got 3 of those. All right, let's get the unit out. So definitely a very high quality unit. Then let's see if we can just figure this out. Yeah, so the airbrush, the gun part, just attaches right to the top here. Oh, this is going to be great. I can already see it. It's very easy to put together. Also, you're going to like this. Very easy to charge. So it is cordless, so it's rechargeable. That's one of the great things about these newer devices. You can charge them with like USB. So you've got a USB, what is that, USB-C in the back. You just plug it in there. And then you just plug this into a USB port and this thing's recharging. That's really great. And so now this power button right here is all you need. Once you have your fluid in there and you're ready to start airbrushing, all you do is click that button, and I can feel, see if I can show you. You can kind of hear that, right? The wind's coming out of there. And then you have setting 2 is a little lower and setting 3 is a little lower, and then it's off. So there's 3 different speed settings or power settings, making it super easy to use. Just a great device. You also have the trigger right here, and you have the fluid control knob right here that's going to allow you to adjust so it's the perfect setting as it's coming out. So this is a very high quality unit. It's got a very matte kind of finish, but it's very sleek looking. Also just very easy to use, very easy to recharge. You've got your place right here where you can actually insert your fluid, and you're good to go. This is a very nice unit. I think this is going to do great for airbrushing in all situations, and I highly recommend it.